Pushing data to historical storage. My name is Ilari.Mikkonen from Profirator. Let's do this. Today we'll take a look how to store data to historical data storage. A quick look at the architecture will show that in the previous examples that we've been doing, we have been pushing data via Umbrella to Orion context broker and then to MongoDB. And today we're gonna do this, so we send a notification to QuantumLeap, and QuantumLeap will store it to Crate DB, which is a time series database. Why do you want to do this? Well, if you're only interested in the current values, then using Orion only is alright, but if you want to store historical data, then you can use QuantumLeap, for example, for that. Later on, you can do queries to Crate DB via Grafana, for example, and do some sweet charts. We are not going to do sweet charts today, we'll do them a little bit later in a different video. Okay, so I was talking about those subscriptions. Brief description about subscription is that we will be telling Orion context broker that when you get data value, please pass it forward here. There shouldn't be any existing subscription yet. Nope. So let's do one. Description text, we will be pushing all the entities and all the attributes and tell Orion that, hey, please send notification with all the attributes to this URL, which is a Docker container listening on this port, QuantumLeap. Let's do it. Notification, create it. Let's get it. We got it. Test active. By doing this, getting these subscriptions from Orion context broker, you can also understand in which state the subscription is. Everything went fine. The status is active. And you can see that it has been sent one time. Let's post some data. Important thing to understand is that let's do another one, test 2. If the values don't change, then Orion won't pass it under normal circumstances forward. I'll make sure everything is fine here. That went, no content. Now if we take a look at the subscription status, we should see this changing into 2 because we sent some data to Orion and Orion should pass it forward. It's a 2. It's a boy. Okay. Alright. So we actually did get some data to Orion, but did it actually go to QuantumLeap? Well, there are a few ways to find out, and one of them is to deep dive into QuantumLeap and take a look. I'll do a few things. Well, yeah, I can do it here. Why not? Okay, this will take a little bit magic. Just a moment. What do we want to do? We want to... Well, okay. I'll type this stuff somewhere else so you won't get bothered. Just a moment. Okay. As you see, we went forward in time a little bit. What I did is that I went to the container and I started the crash, which is a CLI tool to see the content of the database. There is one table, MD ETS metadata. And now we should see where do we see that? Here. This is the tenant that we created this posting data, and it's a thing. So let's do a select start from this boy. Always good to put the limit. Let's see what we get. Yeah, I can type. We have values. Alright. Not good values, but we have some values, so let's push some more data into it. Do post data, post data, post data. Let's leave this one out. So we have beautiful, beautiful values. Let's put some values that we can actually recognize. Let's put 2 and 1. Doesn't matter what data it is. Just want to show how to get the data to the Crate DB. And now we should see 3 rows and our values, they're here. It's a great success. Alright, so let us recap what did we do now here. Not that. This. We posted some data into Orion Context Broker. Well, actually, we first created a subscription from Orion Context Broker to QuantumLeap. Then we posted some data. Orion stored it into MongoDB and then also sent a notification to QuantumLeap. QuantumLeap received the notification, stored the data into Crate DB, and boom, historical data storage is achieved. Alright, that is everything for today. Thanks for watching. Click the links below, subscribe, like, all those things. If you have any questions, ask me. ilari.mikkonen at profirator.fi. Please suggest some content if there's something you want to hear about. I'm more than happy to do requests, and if nothing else, then have a beautiful day. Thanks. Bye bye.